Hi guys, this is my first video of power cubing and I'm going to be unboxing the Speed Cube set 12-in-1 and I'm going to be showing you if this is good quality. Let's get into the box. As you can see, it first comes with a magazine. It's not really a magazine, it's a secret tutorial for Magic Cubes. If you can see, it says everything of how to solve all these cubes that they're gonna show. We're gonna start by unboxing this one. I don't know its name, but let's go. This cube is not really like a 3x3, but it's very different. I think it's called the Fisher's Cube. Is it good quality? Yes, it is. Now we're gonna go to the next one. I don't know what this one is. And it's a metal cube. I think it's the mirror cube. This one, it does come in plastic. And this is the mirror cube. It's very different. I haven't solved any of these types of cubes. Next, we're gonna be opening the, Pyraminx. Oh, this one I do know how to solve. And if you want me to see, if you want to see me solving these cubes, there's gonna be a video of me solving half, and there's going to be a part 2. These are speed cubes, so they would be very good in using in tournaments. And the next one we got is a 4x4. I don't know how to solve a 4x4, but as I said, I'm gonna be posting a video about me solving all these cubes. Okay, now I'm gonna open the 2x2. Okay. Now, here we have the 3x3. Let's see. All of these are speed cubes, and inside each box has a label where you can solve it also. Now we have this cube. I do not know what this cube is. I do not have an idea what this is. Okay, this one you could like do it by the corners over here. Now we're gonna be opening some big boys. We got 5x5. This one I think is very hard because I cannot solve this. But I will be able to solve this because I'm going to be making a video of me solving everything. Now, I'm going to open, and we got plastic. And there we go. We have this. Another mirror cube, but this one's 2x2 and easier. And we're almost done. Oh, wow. We're gonna be, now we have this one. I honestly love this cube, but I see it in the YouTube videos and I think it's very cool, but I don't know how to solve this one. Now we have, is this the Gigamix, Megamix? I have no clue.